Good afternoon, Riverwatch students and teachers. Welcome to our virtual Riverwatch Forum. We had a great event planned this year, and we are just going to take it and break it up into little pieces. So to start off, my name is Asher Kingery. I'm the project specialist at the International Water Institute. That basically means I'm in charge of the Riverwatch Forum, do a bunch of water quality monitoring, work on projects and proposals, along with evaluating and reporting all of those projects. So I started 10 years ago at the International Water Institute, started off doing a lot of field work, mainly just going out and doing exactly what Riverwatch students do, where they look at the water quality around their area. We just do that on a much bigger scale, the entire Red River Basin. I grew up in Edinburgh, North Dakota, was very interested in outdoors and rivers my whole life. Went to Bemidji State University, where I got environmental studies with emphasis in ecosystems and also a minor in outdoor education and wetlands ecology. So this job is really a perfect combination of the sciences and outdoor education, and I have just loved the last 10 years getting to know the basin, getting to know all of the students and teachers in Riverwatch. Now I would like to introduce you to the rest of the education and monitoring team.
Hi, my name is Larissa. I am the Monitoring and Outreach Conservation Corps member with the Conservation Corps of Minnesota and Iowa. I'm doing a one-year service term with the International Water Institute out of Fargo. I am from the Otter Tail Lakes area. I went to school at the University of Minnesota Crookston, majoring in natural resources and wildlife management.
Hello everybody, my name is Phillip Oswald and I am a part of the monitoring and education team with the International Water Institute. I joined the Institute back in last October, and I've been working on projects such as our stream monitoring, River of Dreams, and our Riverwatch programs. I went to college at Bemidji State University, where I got my bachelor's degree and master's degree in aquatic biology, and my master's thesis focused on the walleye reproduction in the Tamarack River in Upper Red Lake. I think it is a pretty small world in the fact that the place where I did grad school research is in the same Red River Basin that I work in today.
Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Lemieux. I am a monitoring and education specialist with the International Water Institute. I started in August of 2019, and I really love working with all of the students and teaching them about what I know about the environment and everything that I've learned in school. I went to North Dakota State University and I have a degree in natural resource management with an emphasis in biotic resources. And yeah, I'm from Fargo and born and raised in the Red River Basin, and I love what I do.
Hi guys, I wanted to introduce myself for those of you who don't know me. My name's Ashley. I work at Red Lake Watershed District, Thief River Falls. I've been working with Riverwatch since 2014. Absolutely love it. Probably the best part of my job. I can't say any more good things about it. I mean, my head's just about to explode with how much I love Riverwatch. Really wish I would have had something like this when I was a kid in school, because I would have eaten it up. I grew up in southeast Missouri. My family had a farm on a little bitty rock bottom river called Castor River. We would spend weekends there camping, swimming, playing, and my cousins would stay off swimming, playing all the time, but I'm there digging in the rocks. I'm looking for crawdads. I spent my time looking for tadpoles, worms and frogs and bugs and any and every icky gooey creature I could find living in the water, and loved it, had a great time. I think that's a lot of the reason why I loved Riverwatch so much, why I got into natural resources. I got a degree in wildlife conservation and management. I went to school at Southwest Missouri State University and then also South Dakota State University. I've got to work at a lot of cool places. I've done a lot of work in the wetlands. You guys kind of might already know I'm the bug nerd. I love it, have a blast. If I could have done that during school hours, that would have been amazing. But now, kind of even better, I get paid to go collect bugs and teach you guys about it. So amazing, love it.
Hey guys, I'm Danielle Graham, and I am another member of the monitoring and education team. I am based out of Fargo, North Dakota, but I grew up in Sandstone, Minnesota, and then I moved south and went to college at Gustavus Adolphus College, where I studied geography and sociology anthropology. And eventually, after bouncing around a little bit at a few jobs around the state of Minnesota, I landed in Fargo at IWI. And I get the pleasure of working with a lot of the Riverwatch teams, as well as coordinating the River of Dreams program. At most events, you generally see me behind a camera taking pictures and doing a lot of our media work, and so for this project, that's generally what I did as well, as I got to film a lot of my coworkers to make this virtual little River Watch forum possible. So I hope you guys enjoy. Our first little segment is going to be on the last 25 years of River Watch with our project specialist, Asher Kingery.
River Watch first started in the Red River Basin right here in the Sandhill Watershed District. There were 4 schools involved in 1995, and originally there were multiple small group forums, so there would be like a few schools that would get together and do a forum in Crookston and maybe Hallock or Fargo-Moorhead area. The first Riverwatch forums were focused almost entirely on water quality data that students had collected over the last year. So it was a lot of analyzing data from pH to temperature to dissolved oxygen, really showcasing what they did that year, the data they collected. When Riverwatch first started in 1995, students would go out for the majority of the day to collect water quality samples. Then they'd bring those samples back into their science classrooms and perform a series of lab tests to get the data. In the early years, it was a very valuable tool to state agencies, and that is actually why our Riverwatch schools provide data straight to state resources. Now there is a lot of water quality data, so we're able to still supplement the state databases, but we're able to add on a lot of fun educational activities around the watersheds.
Thanks for that brief history, Asher. To put into perspective everything that Asher shared, so what started as 4 schools in the Sandhill River Watershed District branched into the entire Minnesota side in 2002. Today, there are 36 schools that are in Riverwatch within the Red River Basin, both on the North Dakota and Minnesota side. In addition to everything that has changed with Riverwatch, water quality monitoring has also changed. As Asher mentioned before, what started as taking an entire day to get water quality monitoring results back now just takes a few minutes because of the technology and advancements. Furthermore, students do more than just water quality monitoring with our Riverwatch program. You can find a full suite of activities that we do. It's common to find students out paddling in their local watershed, as well as doing macroinvertebrates, which is my personal favorite, and presenting at their local watershed districts. The students gain valuable skills and understanding throughout their time in Riverwatch, and we can't wait to see what the next few years will hold. What a great 25 years. Check back tomorrow to hear more about Riverwatch and what we did this year. Bye!